Actually Haig reporting from the IFE in London 2019. I'm with Kath White, the marketing director at Willy's ACV, who are debuting their kombucha ACV drink at the show. Kath, can you tell me something about your drink which combines two mega trends?
Okay, so the story starts with our apple cider vinegar, which you can see here. So we're based on a farm in Herefordshire where we grow our own apples, we press them, we ferment them, turn them into apple cider vinegar, which is a real buzz product at the moment. I mean, it's been used for centuries as a natural remedy. It's got amazing properties. And is building in popularity either as a daily dose or a diluted daily dose for all manner of sort of help all manner of ailments, but also it's enjoyed as an ingredient in recipes. But what we wanted to do was put this amazing ingredient into a product that could be enjoyed on the go, but also take advantage of the huge trend that's fermenting, both in food and drink. So what we've done is we've created a drink that has hydration, rejuvenation, and a bit of a gentle boost in mind. So it's a blend of 5 main ingredients. So it's our apple cider vinegar. So it's got your daily dose, which is 25 ml in a can. It's got kombucha, which we're fermenting ourselves on the farm. It's got water, which we draw from underneath the orchards. It's got a little bit of apple juice for natural sweetness. And it's got ginger, which is a lovely superfood. So it's 5 clean ingredients, and it's just a really nice balanced drink. I think we all agree there's far too much sugar in our diets, and what we felt is the combination of 2 fermented ingredients, so the apple cider vinegar and the kombucha, gives your taste buds this new experience. So whilst it has got some natural sugar in there, there isn't any added sugar. And as I said, you've got the lovely acidity of the fermented ingredients to give your kind of your mouth, your digestive system, this new experience.
Brilliant, brilliant. And did you have any R&D challenges when it came to combining the two?
So there's a lot of work involved with fermenting apple cider vinegar and brewing kombucha to make sure it's stable, and it has been a bit of a labour of love. It's been a quite a steep learning curve over the last 6 months, but we've got it to a stable place, and yeah, we're really proud of it. It's a sort of clever little combination of ingredients.
It really is. And it's quite clear at the show that low sugar drink options are really trending. But what else do you think is really trending at the show in the beverage area?
Oh, the trends are just incredible. I'd say gut health is a really big trend. I think it's going to be up there with, it's the year of vegan, plant-based food this year. I'd say gut health is just going to be storming it over the next couple of years, and a trend that's here to stay. I mentioned that our story starts with the apple cider vinegar. That's a raw unpasteurized product that has probiotic bacteria like acetobacteria and lactobacillus in it that's good for gut health, along with this probiotic like, your green leafy vegetables and pulses. And I think people will be taking a lot more notice of these products and, producing food and drink that contains ingredients that's good for your gut, because if your gut is healthy, there's then this knock-on effect throughout the rest of your body, even, through to mental health, as well as physical health. So I think that's a very big trend.
Yeah.
And I think just drinks in general, as brands look to reduce sugar, but still offer an interesting taste experience, some really cool, exciting new ingredients are emerging. So yeah, we're happy to be kind of at the forefront of it.
Great. Well, thank you so much, Kath.